I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't like it. And I rarely say that about a car, but I don't really. Boys, we're back in the C1. We've kind of made last video with my man. Yeah, I didn't know him. Now I kind of know him. He's all right. I can see that it's got bits of Toyota on it now. You know, like the mirror adjusters and this lock. This Toyota's had that for yonks. What the? Yo, who's got the Mach 11? Why is the whole thing doing it from one? I didn't know it does that. That's sick. That's like reminds me of Fidget Cube from back in the day. Not that I used one in it, but like. Yo, this is sick. This is way better than that little button in it that they have. Oh, camera's getting hot, man. I'm getting red like a Hindu. You're not Hindu, innit?
No.
Okay, cool. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have a red dot, man.
What I thought was?
I ain't trying to get wrapped in a Citroen C1. Man died in a C1. Out of any. What is that? I think I've driven that. What's it called?
Mitsubishi something, I don't know.
Does Kia make that? Kia's got a version in it.
No, the Picanto.
Picanto.
Nah, that's smaller than
Oh, I don't know yet. Picanto's dead as well. It don't even have an RPM counter. I got in, yeah. My man's got a Speedo. That's all he had. Why is it actually no RPM counter? Like, man to man.
You need to see how much fuel you got.
Is it that serious?
Yeah.
Whoa. Boys, don't forget Storm Dave's about. Do you know what I mean? So you're gonna want a hoodie. Rizzy.store. I've got your back. What you reckon? Yeah, good marketing. No, honestly, if you want a proper fitting hoodie, honestly, it's all I wear, genuinely. Good hoodies, they got big hoods, they fit true to size, and they're a little bit oversized. Do you know what I mean? It's just that perfect point for a hoodie. So if you want a genuine bit of clothing that you'll wear for years, that won't be dated either, make sure you get out Rizzy.store and order a hoodie.
Hoodie's gonna last years.
Nah, hoodie will. I don't know about that back print. I weren't trying to pay 40 quid a unit, cause
yeah, that back print's coming off after the first one.
No, don't say that, because then they're gonna. No, it's not. Obviously, I'm not gonna sell you like tie-dye shirt, am I? Your clutch is higher than Snoop Dogg, girls. What the? This is on its way out. You know that means it's actually finished.
Nah, it still goes though.
Yeah, it goes, but it tells me when to shift. Don't tell me what to do. Deep how something that looks like this is telling me what to do. Love Easter traffic, innit? Are we all on an Easter egg on? As kids, we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Notts or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at Rizzy Elbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. You can text me while I'm working. Is this available? Oh, cause I'll be real, you're gonna have to reply to him.
Why you got iPhone 7?
Sure, but get to work. Make sure your thumbs are small as well. Is it available? Yes. Do you want to come and view? Don't leave no typos. Do your punctuation. Make sure he doesn't realise you're Asian. Has that gone through, my brother? Yeah. You're struggling with the keyboard, innit? Been a couple of years. Fucking auto. Yo, she's dead. She's passed out. I'm not even joking. Look. Oh, mouth was open as well. Woo!
Yes, it is available. Comma. When would you like to come?
You work in business management, my brother. Yo, you might have to take charge of my Facebook account.
Because that private school paid off, man.
You went private school?
Yeah, man.
What's it like? Is it good? Is it worth it?
It's alright.
What, did you learn more than me? Oh, that's peak, you know. I'm not even trying to be I went to public school, but I got a better car than you. Did you pay for it?
Did I pay for it? Was I spunking 12 bags a year when I was 12?
12 bags a year? What, for private school?
Yeah.
You being serious?
Yeah.
12,000 GBP. Someone spent their own money on that.
GBPs, bro.
Huh? Wait, you're telling me you'd work, so 12 bags, that's 12 Yaris's in and out throughout the year. You'd splash it all on a term.
I know, that's 12 Yaris's with pan roofs as well.
Are you being dead? Nah, man to man, you're being serious.
I'm being dead. Dead serious.
What's different about private school? What? They just give you better tuition?
I guess so, yeah.
Okay, what?
Normal school?
What, did you get A's in that? What do you mean did you not? This ain't a joke, G, because if you didn't, then I filmed it. Did you pass in it?
Yeah, I passed.
Okay, what, narrow pass?
Nah, good pass. A's and B's.
That's good.
Like
okay, yeah, that's alright.
Not like A stars and that.
Yeah, but my boy got A's and B's and he was like, grew up with me.
Yeah,
he smokes, he spits on the floor. You get me, he didn't go private school. 12 bags a year for private school. Wait, it's private school, is that where you sleep there?
Nah, that's boarding school.
That's boarding school, yeah. So what's different to a private school then that I wouldn't have had in my school? What do you mean you thought of nothing?
In school, innit?
Wait, 12 bags a year, you went for 5 years?
Went from year 4.
What, you dropped nearly 100 bags on school?
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
I'm
god.
driving a C1.
He's dropping 100 racks on little brother to go to school. Can you drop save the 100? Would you rather have gone to my school and then had 100 bags now?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'd be whipping a fresh G80.
I'd get a Golf R 7.5. That's peak engineering, f***ing G80. Yo, the clutch is so shit. This must take some getting used to, innit?
That's shit.
What's the lifestyle like though? You're not living in a common now?
Nah, I'm chilling, man. I say I live in a con so I get more money, allegedly.
What, they don't even check your HMO or anything
They
like
don't
that?
check shit.
You think there'd be a bit more security, innit?
Oh, they don't check shit.
Yo, the C1 better be green on mid, you know. What do you mean? It's just the Aygo, innit? Really and truly.
Yeah.
Toyota Aygo. Same engine as well.
Nah, it's got Iger's got the 1 litre.
Wait, so who makes this engine?
Purchase Citroen.
Oh, that's why it's wank.
That's why it's wank.
I thought Toyota have done everything. Because this has got all the Toyota stuff in it.
Everything but the engine.
That's the thing with cars now, man, innit? They all just share each other's parts. It's not special no more. You come rapid though. You know this guy, yeah? He DM'd me about 2 hours ago and he came an hour ago. First day Amazon Prime delivery. And he was on time. He gave me ETA, he was actually there. I came on bus. Did you see me hop out the bus?
Oh, you actually came on a bus?
Nah, I was about a mile away, innit? And I didn't have my car. I'm going hopping on a bus. I can't believe you went to private school, you know. That's mad. I really thought you lot there'd be a visible difference, but I think you're worse than me, if anything.
Did you not see my Facebook reply? Fire.
Yeah, you know what you're on about, innit?
Punctuation, bro.
That's adaptability, though, innit? You change
Switch
how
it
you
on.
talk, just depending on who you're talking to. You didn't reply, though.
Where is your place? And I've seen a Ford Fiesta on your listings too. Is that available?
Yes, the Fiesta is available. Look at me, I'm active in it. I've hired a conservatory. What are you?
Conservatory.
That's what it is, isn't it? Conservatory.
Nah, that's the thing in you are, bro. You're
Consecretary.
PA, bro, man. You're secretary.
No, there's something with a what is it? Conductor.
Yeah, conductor.
No, there's a name.
Con man.
Is that what you are? Yeah.
Yeah.
Conservative. You're my contraception. I ain't gonna stop till you've told. What are you typing so much for? Why are you still typing?
Paused.
Trolling, innit? Yo, don't be losing out.
Getting no sale, bro. Just
I'm
get
gonna
a stay
pull
in.
over and I'm gonna reply to him. What did you say to him?
Yeah, the Fiesta's available if you're interested.
You lot are some rich family, fam. You lot must be thinking I'm some Trump, bro. Or catching the
Bro,
bus.
look what I'm driving.
Mine, man. The class is everything. What you're driving don't matter. What you gonna do when you actually graduate? You gonna get into family business? Or?
More time, yeah.
Oh, you're lucky, man. Make sure you take the piss and... Nah, I'm being serious, you know. The other half are living shit. Doing all this. It's even got a Toyota steering wheel, kind of.
It is.
But you've added your face mask on it. I'm gonna whack my speed limiter on, yeah? Is that alright?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it wants me to do every single mile an hour. Okay, cool, 30. So if I put my foot
Nah,
down...
you gotta press the button up.
No, I'm speeding. Oh,
Nah, like, put it towards you. There you go. It's on now.
well, it's not, mate. I just want to save the blur guy some time, innit? I ain't trying to, like, help me out,
Wait till you
innit?
go under 30. And
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay, now. Now I put my foot down.
Yeah. Not all the way to the bottom, so you're not pressing.
What's the point in that then? The whole
Don't
point
press
is...
the button at the bottom. Just
Why? Why would you put a limiter on then?
Nah, because the button makes it like go over.
And then turn this shit off then, because if I'm going to control my foot the whole time, then I might as well do it the whole time, innit?
Just like semi-press it.
Semi-press. 1500 for both of them. Fiesta's 1500, Yaris is 1500. But I want Yaris to go for 1500, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to take no offers off no one. That's the problem with them, man. They're just Asian magnets, innit? There's just an Uber driver comes and he's student. Now I've got to give him discount. Fuck off. You know? Last time the guy was there crying for about an hour. I weren't giving him discount and he was telling me the car's shit, but he still bought it for full price. Gee, the car's shaking a lot.
What, this one?
Yeah, I can not feel it vibrating.
Turn the AC off, you might stop it.
Serious. Well, that got direct links to the flywheel.
Exactly, bro.
This is it, man. It's usually a bit busier than this, isn't it? But obviously, Easter. What the hell's he doing in a hedge? He's actually on an Easter egg hunt. Comes a ghost town, isn't it? Yo, try an insurance job, me.
3 bag payout.
Free bag payout? I don't think so, mate. I don't think so. That's debatable.
Nah, that's insurance value, man.
$3 for this. What can we do? What gizmos have you got? You got Waze and that.
Waze.
This screen is familiar, you know. Where have I seen this before?
In every Yaris ever.
Waze.
Nah, that Waze is shit.
Well, there's different ways to go on Waze. This guy's doing HTML. This guy's coding. Oh, that's sick. That's real time. Can I make it full screen? Shit! You got a proper monitor here.
Yeah.
This is a modern car. You know when you're using it actually like this day to day?
It's alright.
It's alright. And it's got a semi-digital dash. No dash on the right. These are your warnings and that, innit?
Yeah.
And then what's this orange light mean?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think they come with that from factory.
Yeah, it must
It
be.
means there's an engine. The engine's present. That's good.
It passes MOT.
With engine light.
With the engine light.
Well, the MOT test is clearly your boy. I don't even clock it's got all these gizmos, you know. You got any games? Let's play a game.
Nah.
You got no games. You f***ing adult.
Yeah.
That's not a game. Maps ain't a joke, mate. You're funny f***er. Yo, show me more, do another one. Yo, pictures. You never taken a selfie in your C1?
Nah, I haven't yet.
Oh, there's a C1, there's a graphic of it. There.
Yeah.
Select country, you blind, bro. Look at the weather. What am I in? England? United Kingdom, then, if you're going to be all picky about it. Don't undertake me, you bastard. It's not even an undertake, because look at the lines, mate. Anyone who knows that. And he's backed out. He's deep, I've got a camera on my head, innit? That's why he got shook. Why is it white, boy? Is this a drawing pad? Oh, I'm on Waze. This is Waze. Your screen's finished, bro. I'll be real. Has he got a good speaker?
Nah, shit.
Yo, why is everything long? I press play and my man goes, no, that's not how you do it. And he gets his laptop out and starts coding it in. I got my volume button here, don't worry about that.
I don't want daddy and daughter.
It don't work. I turned him off then. Off, Dave.
Blackberry and walk.
Fucking Storm, Dave. I'm gonna let it off now. You ready, yeah? Yo, it sounds like a gated manual, innit? But it's just your clutches. No, it literally just feels like an Ago, innit? It's literally the same shit. But I prefer the Ago for some reason. I don't know why. It's alright though for £1,000. What is this car? 2014? 15?
Yeah.
15. That's not bad. For £1,000 what you paid for it. Are you connecting to Wi-Fi for the roundabout?
Yeah.
Why does your clutch sound like a jack in the box? Oh, once you get it going, it's alright though. No way, this is good promo, innit? Keep that on the video and then it'll look sick. But I'm about to end the video, so you could have done that earlier.
Watch, I'm going to be watching Rizzy POV of my C1 in my C1.
It's gonna be looking like Corey's PC World in here. Yo, it's not very responsive, is it?
Oh,
It's like a bougie bitch, mate. He's just not chatting to you. Go on, let him on now. No, easy. You're gonna devalue it, man. What's going on with this? It's not working. This has not got an SSD, has it? How'd you get rid of the speedo?
Show speed on that. Off.
Oh, that's quite straightforward, actually, now I think about it. Yeah, you fucking tech support, innit? You supported my tech. Look, the speedo's gone. I didn't even know you could do that shit. The hook's alright.
Nah, it doesn't have.
Nah, it does. Like, the tyres are good. It's got that outside PTSD. It's got shell shock. Yeah, that's it. Conclusion, yeah, this boys don't buy this. No offense, but even if it's cheap, don't do it. It's shit. I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't like it. And I rarely say that about a car, but I don't really.